Hello dear students. Ngasi akhuna nanagaduriba topic asigi mamingdi Making of the Constitutions of India. Masigi topic asi nainadringai gi mamangda constitution haibasi karino mayam punna khangminasi. Constitution asi simply oina hairabada set of rule and regulations haibni. Khunai ama sembada chana kanglon laigani. Haibadi society laiba tarabadi society duki fundamental rule and regulations laigani. Leibak amagi manungda leibak adugi mipum khudimakna yanaraba lengaklon adubu aikoina constitutions kawi. India gi constitution kagi semino constitutions karaidigi haurakpano haibana chingba asi khangnabagi damakta aikoina ngasi main oina lakhatjarkaduriba subtopic asigi mamingdi historical background of the making of Indian constitutions. So this story started at 20 August 1917. British government gi hairiba Secretary of State for India Edwin Montagu na British Parliament ta hairiba House of Commons da statement ama thamki. Mahakna hai the policies of His Majesty governments is that of the gradual development of self-governing institution with a view to the progressive realizations of responsible government in India as an integral part of the British Empire. This means British government na tapna India da responsible government ama puraklagani haibasini. Now the question is, what is responsible government? Responsible government haibasi karino. Responsible government haibadi a government that is responsible to the people. Citizen na pamipao paliba leibak tu ki government aduna power adu paiba yai. But tawbadabu paliba government asi pamdaba tarabadi thukaiba yai. Question namana, by when the responsible government was supposed to be formed? British nadi they had decided to make a responsible government. But karam kanda haibasidi mayek sengna taklamde. Adubu responsible government ama semba haibasigi nungi wahanthok adudi Indian administration da Indian member tapna hengalanba haibadi Indian administration gi part ama ohenba. Sumain tawdana tapna India si responsible government rom na purakpa haina British sarkar na khalami. Responsible government ama purakna honabada British sarkar na lawkiba khongthang amoina Government of India 1919 Act asi yamna maru oi. Act asibu Montagu Chelmsford Reform haina khangnai. Hairiba Act asigi makhada Viceroy's Executive Council da Indians amadagi ahumda hengalanba. Finance Committee gumba maru oiba committee desu Indian yahanba. Indian Legislative Council ki ayamba members singadu election tawraga khanba. Mathangda Central Public Service Commission amalingba. Government of India Act 1919 ki provision amana 10 years loiraga 1929 da commission appoint tawba haina lepnaki. Adubu chahi ani ngankhatna 1927 da commission adu semki. Hairiba sida punna member taret laiki. Member taret ki manungda Indian amata yaram kide. Commission adugi chairman na Sir John Simon. Maram asina commission asibu Simon Commission haina khangnaki. India da November gi 1927 da Simon Commission laki. Aduga May gi 1930 da Simon Commission na mahaki ahanba report publish tawki. Mahaki report adu nainanabagi damakta London da round table conference tawki. Round table conference adu ahum thokna pangthoki. Ahanba round table conference na 12 November 1930 dagina 13 January 1931. Aduga second round table conference na 7 September 1931 dagina 1st December 1931. Aduga third round table conference na 17 November 1932 dagina 24 December 1932 fauni. Matung tarakpada Simon Commission ki recommendation ki matung inna white papers on constitutional reforms ama puthoki. Masigi hairiba white paper asi India ki khwaidagi maru oiba act ni, that is Government of India Act 1935. Sigi act si matung inna masana laingak tawzaba yabagi hak adu pirami. Anishubada Bharat ki praja ayamba vote ꯊꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ In 1935, for the first time, Indian National Congressna Indiada Constituent Assembly establish tꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ 1938ꯗ ꯅꯦꯍꯔꯨꯅ INCꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ Indian Constitution ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ Indians खक ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯈꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 1940ꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯦꯍꯔꯨꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ accept tauki. So now one thing is clear that Constituent Assembly will have only Indian natives. 1942 da Sir Stephen Cripps, a member of War Cabinet pu India da tharaki. Haribasibu Cripps Mission haina khangnai. Cripps Mission asi March 22 dagina April 12 fawa Delhi da pangthokibani. Cripps Mission asina British ki proposal ama puraki. Hariba proposal asi British government na Independence Constituent Assembly ama establish tauba aduga anauba constitution ama semba. Hariba proposal asida yauba right to secede hariba asida India gi praja sing ayambana yaninglamde. Right to secede haibasi karigumba province amana Indian Constitution da yauningdaba thoklabadi masagi oiba tokhaiba tonganba constitution ama semba yabagi hak adubuni. Indian National Congress amasung Muslim League animak Cripps Mission asi yaninglamde. Yaningdribagi maramdi INC na khali madudi sigi mission asina India bu tokhai tahanba lakpani. That is nation bill tawtringaida nation kaihenba. Muslim League na yaningdabagi maramna sigi mission asina anauba Pakistan ama sembagi wafam thamamkhide. Sumain tawdana Cripps Mission asi mai paklamkhide. 19 September 1945 da Viceroy Lord Wavell na provincial election amasung central election taunaba khanghalamki. Hairiba election asi December 1945 dagina January 1946 fawba pangthoki. Election asi da 11 province ki manungda 8 amadi INC na kaki aduga ahum amana Muslim League na. March 1946 da British government gi Constituent Assembly dagi Cabinet Minister ahum laki, Lord Bentinck Lawrence, Secretary of State for India, Sir Stephen Cripps, President of the Board of Trade, and A.V. Alexander, First Lord of Admiralty. Hariba mission asigi pandamdi transfer of power with the aim of preserving India's unity and granting it independence. Cabinet mission asisu mai paklam khide aduna question ama laeba. Why did the cabinet mission fail haibama? Mai pakhidabagi maramdi maram ahum thokna ikhoina nainaba yai. Ahanba maramdi Congress Party na center gi government asibu sakti yamna piba pamlami. Adubu provincial government gi sakti adu limited oheninglami. Anishubada Muslim League na minority Muslim singbu political safeguard tawba pamlami. And the last one is INC amasung Muslim League ani asi wakhanlon khenaba amasung yasinaba purakpa ngamdaba asina cabinet mission asibu yamna chauna mai paktabagi maram adu oiki. July August 1946 da Constituent Assembly ki election amuk tauki. Hariba election asida seat 296 ki manungda Congress na 208 aduga Muslim League na 73 seat pangki. Aduga ahanba Constituent Assembly ki meeting asi December 9, 1946 da pangthoki. Meeting asida punnamni chani ga taramathoy attend tauki. Meeting asida Muslim League amasung Princely State participate taramkhide. Constituent Assembly na Dr. Rajendra Prasad pu president oina khanki. IC Mukherjee amasung BT Krishnachari na vice president oina. So what we know is this Constituent Assembly was actually formed to frame Indian constitutions. After 4 days, that is 13 December 1946 da Nehru na itihasik ki oiraba objective resolution ama pukhatki. Nehru ki objective resolution haibasi na India ki constitution semnaba achoba framework ama oirami. Resolution asi 22 January 1947 da pass tauki. Clement Attlee, Prime Minister of Britain na British Parliament ki House of Commons da mahakna announcement ama tauki. Madudi British singna 3 June 1948 fawbagi manungda India thadokani haina hairami. July 1947 da British Parliament da Independence of India Act 1947 pass tauki. Madugi matung tarapa oina Constituent Assembly asi masagi constitution semba ngamba sovereign body ama oina sak khangki. August 29, 1947 da Dr. B.R. Ambedkar na chairman oiduna Indian Constitution gi drafting committee ama semki. Drafting committee na ahanba draft adu February 1948 da puthoki aduga second draft na October 1948 da puthoki amasung final draft adu na 4th November 1948 da puthoki. Chahi ama chupna final draft asi discuss tawraba matungda November 26, 1949 da India ki constitution asi semba loisinki numit asibu national law day haina palan tawba hauki. Indian constitution asi January 26, 1950 da chanaba horaki. Maram asina January 26 asibu chahi khudingi Republic Day haina palan tawnari. Masini historical background of making of Indian constitutions.